The Apple TV 4K you've been using for the last few years is officially about to become obsolete. We aren't talking about a minor refresh. We're talking about a total internal overhaul that is going to change how your entire home ecosystem functions. For months, the rumors have been swirling, but with the latest code discoveries in the tvOS 27 beta, we finally have the smoking gun. Apple is preparing to launch a new, ultra-powerful Apple TV 4K, and it is built from the ground up for one specific purpose: Apple Intelligence. If you've been waiting to upgrade your living room setup, stop right now. The current third-generation model, which launched back in 2022, is running on an A15 Bionic chip. By today's standards, that's ancient. The new hardware reportedly hitting shelves this fall will feature the A17 Pro chip. Why does that matter? It's not just about speed. The A17 Pro is the gatekeeper for Apple's new AI-powered Siri. Imagine being able to ask your TV to summarize a movie, control your smart home devices with conversational, natural language that actually understands context, or even have it intelligently manage your home camera footage in real time. This isn't a pipe dream. It's hidden in the developer framework of the latest software update. But the performance boost goes beyond the chip. We are looking at a potential massive upgrade in connectivity. Leaks point to the inclusion of Apple's custom N1 networking chip, which brings Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6 support to the table. In a world where 4K streaming is becoming standard and high bitrate audio is the gold rush for home theater enthusiasts, this is a game changer. You're going to get rock-solid, low-latency streaming that makes your current setup feel like it's lagging behind. The real excitement is what this means for your daily life. Apple isn't just upgrading the box. They are integrating the Apple TV into the core of the Apple Intelligence experience. Imagine your TV acting as the central brain of your home, capable of visual intelligence. You'll be able to see summaries of motion alerts, use advanced voice commands to find content across every streaming service simultaneously, and enjoy UI that finally feels responsive. Mark Gurman, one of the most reliable voices in the tech world, has confirmed that these units are in advanced testing. They are ready to go. Apple is simply holding back to align the hardware launch with a global rollout of the new Siri AI. So, when can you get your hands on it? All signs point to an October or November release. Apple is planning to drop this right before the holiday shopping season, likely alongside updated HomePod hardware that will mirror these new smart capabilities. If you buy a streaming box today, you're essentially buying yesterday's technology at today's price. Wait for the fall event. The combination of the A17 Pro chip, Wi-Fi 7, and full native support for Apple's new AI ecosystem makes this the first must-have upgrade for the Apple TV in over 4 years. This device is going to be the central hub that finally makes the smart home actually smart. Stay tuned, because as soon as the invite hits, we will be diving into the exact pricing and the full spec sheet.